Hi dears, nice to meet you again. I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The first chapter is relations and functions. Let f be a function f n tends to n. What is n? Yes, natural number. The starting number 1, 2, 3 so on, it is called natural number. N tends to n because here n relate to n be defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 2. Here function is 3x plus 2 comma x belongs to natural number. X value here natural number. So natural number here starting from 1, 2, 3 so on. So here find the images of 1, 2, 3. The first Roman, find the image of 1, 2, 3. You have to find first number 1, 2, 3. So 3 values you have to find. The first question solution. Solution f of x equal to 3x plus 2. Here find the images of 1, 2, 3. The first value 1. So here f of 1 is equal to 3 into x value. What is the x value? Yes, 1. So 1 plus 2 implies 3 ones are 3. So 3 plus 2 implies 3 plus 2. What is the value? 5. So 5 is the answer. That's it. Then next f of 2. 2 values you have to find. F of 2 equal to 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. So here 6 plus 2 implies 6 plus 2. What is the value? 8. The next you have to find x value 3. So here f of 3. Here x value 1. Here x value 2. And then x value 3. So 3 f of 3 equal to 3 into what is x value? 3. So 3 into 3 plus 2 implies 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, what is the value? 11. So 11 is the answer. Then so here find the images of 1, 2, 3. The images of 1, 2, 3 are, so 1 value is 5. So 5. Then 2 value substitute, you get what is the value? 8. So 8. The next 3 substitute means what is the value we get? 11. So 5, 8, 11 respectively. That's it answer. The same concept, second sum, find the pre-images of 29, 53. What is image? What is pre-image? The set A is called pre-image, set B is called image. Here x values are image and then f of x values are 29, 53. So f of x only is a pre-image. What is f of x is a pre-image? X is a image. So here we have to find the pre-images of 29, 53. Here pre-images of 29, 53. So first of all images values are given. So 29 is a one image. Next 53 is a another image. Then you have to find pre-image. So here f of x solution f of x equal to f of x equal to 3x plus 2. Here f of x value only is 29. So f of x equal to 29. Now f of x, what is f of x? 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 equal to 29. Now 3x equal to this 2 send opposite side. So here positive means you send opposite side negative. So 29 minus 2. So 29 minus 2, what is the value? 27. So 3x equal to 27. So x equal to 27 divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3. 27, how many 3s are there? Yes, 9 3s are 27. So 9. 9 times cancel. So x equal to 9. That's it. Now we have to find another pre-image. Listen. Here f of x equal to 53. So here f of x equal to 53. Now f of x, what is f of x? 3x plus 2. Now apply the values. 3x plus 2 equal to 53. So now here left hand side 2, you send opposite side. Where everyone left hand side constant, you send opposite side negative. So 3x is equal to, so 53 minus 2. 53 minus 2, what is the value? Yes, 51. So 51, here 3x. Then x equal to 51 divided by 3. Here 1 3s are 3. Here 51, how many 3s? It's not possible to cancel because here 2 digits. So first 5. 5, how many 3s? 1. So 1 3s are 3. So remaining 2. So 21. 21, how many 3s? 17. 7. So totally 17. So x equal to 17. Here x equal to 9, x equal to 17. The pre-images of 29, 53 are the pre-images of 29, 53 or respectively, or what are values? 9, 17 respectively. So 9, 17 respectively. The third one, identify the type of function. So this function, so what are all, we know that functions, types of functions. So first one, many one function, one-to-one function, and then on-to function, into function. So 4 types of functions. Here one-to-one function, every elements have one unique image, that is called one-to-one function. And then many one function. So 2 or more elements have 2 or more elements have unique image, that is called many one function. Then onto function, what is onto function? Here so codomain and range are equal, that is called onto function. Into function, here one image does not have pre-image, that is called into function. So here I have to find what is the type of function. So first one given, so here f of x equal to 3x plus 2. Here x is a natural number. Now x equal to 1 like this. So here f of 1 equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to, implies 3 ones are 3. So 3 plus 2 implies 5. So 1 value substitute means what is the value get? 5. Now x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 implies 8. The next x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 means f of 3 equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 implies 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 implies 11. So here every value substitute means you get values natural number only. So every elements have one unique image. Here so 1 substitute means 5, 2 substitute means 8, 3 substitute means 11, 4 substitute means 14. It's like this going on. So here I will relate for arrow diagram. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this is a set, here B set. B set is like this 1, 2, 3 because here natural number A set and then tends to B set also natural number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is going on. So here also going on. So here also going on. So here 1 relate, 1 substitute means what is the value get? 5. So 1 relate 5. So 1 relate 5. So 1 relate 5. Next 2 substitute means what will be value get? 8. So 2 substitute means 8. Next 3 substitute means 11. 4 substitute means 14 is going on. So here every element have one unique image. It is called one-to-one function. So what is that? Identify the type of functions. This what is the type of function? One-to-one function. It is one-to-one function. It is one-to-one function. So that the function f n tends to n defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not onto. What is 1 to 1? Yes, every element have one unique image, that is called one to one function. Here onto function. What is onto function? So codomain and domain are codomain and a range. Codomain and a range are equal. That times only onto function satisfied. Here I will check n tends to n. What is n? N means natural number. So natural number here starting from 1, 2, 3 so on. So here solution. So n starting number natural number 1, 2, 3 so on. Next f of x equal to 2x minus 1. Now x equal to 1 for starting number 1. So x equal to 1, then f of 1 is equal to 2 into what is x value? Yes, 1. 1 minus 1 implies 2 ones are 2 minus 1 implies 2 minus 1. What is the value? Yes, 1. So now x equal to 2. So f of 2. Here f of 2. F of 2 equal to 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 1 implies 4 minus 1. What is the value? 3. So next one x equal to 3. So f of 3 equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 implies 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1 implies 5. So here x value 4. X equal to 4 means here f of 4 equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 implies 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1 implies 7. Here 1 3 5 7 is like this going on. Here x value 1 means here 1. X value 2 means 3, x value 3 means 5, x value 4 means 7. So here every values have one unique image. Here 2 and 4, 5, 6 is not there. So it is not onto function because here onto function codomain and a range are equal. Now I will explain arrow diagram. the first set A. So here A set is this B set. Here A set, what is the number? Natural number. So natural number starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is going on. Then here also B set also natural number, because here n tends to n. Your natural number to natural number only. So A set natural number, B set also natural number. So A tends to B, that is n tends to B, n tends to n. Here also natural number. So A set natural number and B set also natural number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is going on. So here I will relate A set to B set. The arrow diagram. Here 1 substitute means what is the value get? 1. So 1 relate 1. Next 2 substitute means what is the value get? 3. So 2 substitute means 3. Next 3 substitute means what is the value get? 5. So 3 means 5. Next 4 na 7, 5, 9, 6, 11. So alternative numbers, here odd numbers. Next 7, 13. So 8, 15, 19, 9, 15 is going on. But every element have one unique image. Therefore it is one-to-one function. So it is on-to function. Is it on-to function? No. Why? What is the reason? Here 2 does not have pre-image. 4 does not have pre-image. 6 does not have pre-image. So some elements does not have pre-image. Therefore it is not onto function. Okay, understood? So first every element have one unique image. Therefore it is one-to-one function. So show that hence showed, then it is not onto, but not onto. So here some elements, some images does not have pre-image. So therefore it is not onto function. So here every element have image, therefore it is one-to-one function. It is one-to-one function. Here some elements does not have pre-image, some images does not have pre-image, therefore it is not onto function. So it is not onto function. That's it. Video க்கு கீழ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் அண்ட் क्वेश्चन பேப்பர் செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மென்ட் மூணு இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட் எடுத்து அதில் உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட சைன் வாங்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் இதை அந்த டெஸ்ட்டை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நீங்கள் எழுதி முடித்த உடனே நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து நம்ம ஸ்கூல் நம்பர் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு அனுப்புங்க. அதே போல் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி கிளாஸில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷனில் என்னென்னலாம் சம்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்றத தான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். அதில் வந்து எப்படி இமேஜை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, அதே போல் எப்படி பி இமேஜை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, டைப் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷனை எப்படி ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறது அப்படின்றத பற்றி தான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். ஸோ டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன்னா ஒன் டு ஒன் ஃபங்க்ஷனா எப்படி ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறது, மெனி ஒன் ஃபங்க்ஷனாக எப்படி ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறது, அதை பற்றியான சம்ஸ் தான் இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அதை கொஞ்சம் கிளியர் கான்செப்டில் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களால் கண்டிப்பாக செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட்டை சூப்பராக எழுத முடியும். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.
ஷில்னி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதரு. ப்ரீகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லேயும் சரி மார்க்ஸ்னு நிறையா வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் அதே நேரத்தில் ஸ்டடீஸுக்கும் வந்து அவங்க எந்த ஒரு பிரச்சனையும் இல்லாமல் 2 விஷயத்தையும் அழகாக